Hey guys, King the Game here. I just got a fidget spinner today. Fidget spinner, yeah. I'm going to show you guys. Cool, right? You can use it to fidget around with in school. Like, you can't really make it. Here, wait. Cool, right? Yeah, I just want to show you guys my fidget spinner, but I'm not really feeling up like talking that much. But anyways, yeah, just try getting one out. I got this one at 7-Eleven, but in my country, in Texas, I was told it's called Golden. Yeah. Anyways, why did I say anyways twice? Anyways, it's gonna look like 3. Let's watch how long it can spin. But yeah, these are pretty cool. I only could find yellow. If there was a red, I definitely would have gotten red, so it would match my mouse and my headphones. Because my headphones are red and black, and there's a black right there. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Here, I can try showing you guys how. Oh my gosh, here. Okay, so guys, you might want to do this. This is what you want to do. Get started. Then with the other hand, you try getting it started. Here, let me try. You just like you do this. Yeah. You do that. Yeah, you do this. Oh gosh. But anyways, yeah, pretty cool. I might do some tricks in the future with you guys. But yeah, it's a fidget spinner. If I find a fidget cube, I might show it to you guys. But yeah, a fidget spinner. You can use it to fidget around with in school if you have ADHD. Yeah, pretty cool, right? Yeah, pretty cool. So, yeah, you should try buying one of these. Yeah, pretty cool. Like, I have ADHD. Oh gosh.
This is the Dyson V8 quadrillion vacuum, and this is its Dyson digital motor, generating powerful.
Now you see how I have my middle finger and my ring finger on that, like that, and my thumbs on it. Yeah, and I use my whole entire hand to make it spin like that. And I'm using my thumb. You can also do that, or you can do that, or you can do this. Yeah, bounce it on your thumb. Also, if you want to get it to stop, you go like on it. So yeah, that was just a tutorial on how to use a fidget spinner. Did I forget the intro? Rip. Just rip them, please. I feel angry. I just feel angry. Okay, guys, I feel angry. Oh shoot!
Yeah, that's true.
So
You got
bad.
special needs.
Anyway, yeah, that was just a tutorial on how to use.
Don't you, Keegan?
Don't I what? And you just ruined the video just now. I'm in the middle of a
Don't
video. Don't I what? What are you even talking about? Mangled makes no sense.
Oh shucks, what happened? Feeling anymore.
Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed
When
this
I
video.
started fighting for.
Oh my god. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video piece. If you ruin another video, I will freak out on you.
What?
If you ruin another video, I'll freak out on you.